Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to compute the percentage of a number using Excel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. To compute a percentage of a number, let's say we have here 1000 in A1. Now we will solve for the 10% of 1000, that will be 100. So we issue a command equals A1 asterisk 0.1 for 10%. When we press the enter key, we have the result of 100. That's it, that's simple. 10% of 1000 is 100. Another example, let's say we have here 20, and then we want to compute for 30% equals B1 multiplied by 0.3 for 30%. So the 30% of 20 is 6. That's simple. So a value in a cell like B1, that is 20, we just multiply with 0.3 for 30%, so we come up with 6. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on how to compute the percentage of a number using Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.